C7 styling is absolutely beautiful, and this is a beautiful Corvette right here. This is a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT Coupe with just 20,000 miles. What a beautiful car this is. It's black on the exterior, and it has that contrasting adrenaline red interior. Under the hood, you'll find a 460 horsepower LT1 engine and an 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $4,160 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker AM/FM XM MP3 stereo, has the steering wheel controls, and MyLink as well. This car has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, and memory package. Z51 Performance Package is also included, and as you may know, that has the performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels, tires, also electronic limited slip differential with cooler. Performance gear ratios, aereo package, and multi-mode exhaust. This car includes the FE4 magnetic selective ride control, red brake caliper override, chrome wheels, and performance data recorder with navigation. Of course, this car has all the options from remote start, Bluetooth package. Everything is power on this car. And this is a beautiful car that comes with, the best part, a clean Carfax and some many nice options if you already heard. Again, this car shows just 20,219 miles. The paint is in good condition. It has a great shine, and the factory chrome wheels are absolutely beautiful. So give one of our sales representatives a call if you're interested in this car. Remember, we always have 120 Corvettes in stock here at Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can contact us at 770-414-5552. And we want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. And don't forget, we ship cars nationwide and worldwide every month here from our Atlanta, Georgia location. Buying online is something you can do with ease and with confidence at Buyavette.net. We hope to hear from you real soon. We're Buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. Have a great day.